celebrating a man who built a reputation on one simple belief, that quality is the only marketing you need. AP Vadivel, Technical Director, Kaizen CNC Center Private Limited, was felicitated as a manufacturing maestro in Bengaluru by Tosher Hormusjee, EC member, ICTMA, and Indradev Babu, Managing Director, UCAM. Starting with a single machine in 1997, he built Kaizen CNC Center into a trusted precision machining enterprise by placing quality, process discipline, and customer confidence at the heart of every operation. Today, the CNC Automotive Group manufactures over 120,000 precision components every day across 600 part variants, serving leading global customers in automotive, hydraulics, and general engineering. A legacy shaped by technical excellence, earned through consistency, and carried forward by the trust of customers across the world.
I'm pleasantly surprised with the size of the crowd and the way it has been organized. It's just pretty nice. And I would like to thank and appreciate the team, Vision Makers team, in taking the effort and bringing the stories of people like us, MSME's stories out. It's a great initiative.
So it was such a pleasure. Thank you, Hari. Very well organized and a really august gathering over here. Really nice to see such a big group of machining people together at one place.
Totally appreciable that Machine Maker is recognizing unsung heroes and helping the industry by inspiring and motivating the manufacturing community. Kudos to Machine Maker.